Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mo Mechanic 757. You know, get down and get straight to the point. This goes to be said for any state. Every year, if you're an LLC, you have to renew your registration. I'm going to show you this right here I'm showing you right now is a phony registration that they want me to file. This right here is just some kind of third party trying to get extra money, which you do not have to do. They want me to enclose $135. Once you become an LLC in Virginia and most other places, as far as I know, you pay half of that as long as you pay it before at the end of the month in January. So it's telling me what I should do, but there's no one up here that says it's linked to the corporation. That is a complete fraud. When you try to do your EIN, which is your electronic identification number for the IRS for your business, there's going to be a lot of sites up there that's going to be charging you. Guess what? It's free of charge. Go to the IRS.com. Make sure it's free of charge and it's from the IRS. Look at your URL or the address that you see on your browser to know what's what. All I have to do is come over here and just download and go online like I did. And all I have to do is just renew everything. And guess what? It's only $50. And this comes directly from the Virginia Corporation Commission. With that being said, I just want you guys to know that you do not in any shape from a way have to be defrauded. You don't have to do that. Make sure it's directly from wherever it's from. This is where you do an LLC from. It's $100. You do not in any shape from a way need a lawyer to do this. We offer this. All you have to do is go to themobilemechanic757.com, click on book appointment, go to business consultation, and we can tell you exactly how to do this without even using a lawyer. This is the real deal. This is fraud. In the IRS, make sure it is got the URL that says IRSinit.com, not IRS, this, that, blah, blah, blah. You got to go make sure it's authentic. I'm also a computer technician, so I always look for this crazy stuff. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.